Hello guys, I'm Mickey, and if you're just tuning to my channel, I actually want you guys to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the box below. Yeah, it's got my face in it, so just click on the box and subscribe to my channel. And I don't want you guys to miss out on any interesting skincare review here to come from me. And cream mixtures, yes, I mean cream mixtures. I'm going to be mixing cream for you guys to see. And stay tuned for the next video that's about to come on. Yep, it's about to come. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm actually going to be talking about Whitening organic body butter gone wrong. Yeah, I know most of my YouTubers might actually think, does she really know about organic mixtures? Yes, I do. But I really talk about pro mixing most of the time because it's more reliable compared to organic mixtures. Anti-aging is also reliable. I'm not saying organic products don't work, but it takes a longer period of time for it to work. Most people actually rely on pro mixing since they actually want fast action. But what actually caught my attention was a lady who actually got in contact with me, and she said she's been using an organic whitening body butter for a year now. A year is a long time for organic body butter not to function. That's a really long time. And I actually asked her to disclose a recipe to me, and I was really shocked when I found out the recipe because it's a wrong recipe. Well, now I'm going to disclose the ingredients she used. The ingredients she used are, just listen. She used a half cup of shea butter, half cup of mango butter, half cup of coconut oil, half cup of almond oil, 1 Filipino set, 20 ml papaya extract, 30 ml mulberry extract, and 1 tablespoon of snow white powder. Well, this mixture I just told you guys can only make her a shade lighter, but cannot whiten her because it's not a complete recipe. It's not complete. Why, in the first place, why would you go for coconut oil? You having coconut oil and almond oil. Did I fail to mention almond oil? No, I didn't. I mentioned almond oil. And you're having almond oil included. Those are 2 carrier oils. Why? If you were to choose, I'll probably just choose almond oil and let go of coconut oil. But the recipe is still not complete. Yes, still not complete. Well, now, the real recipe, I'm going to state it out to her now. And to my YouTubers, I'm going to state it out. So the real recipe that should be used is half cup of mango butter, half cup of avocado butter. If you notice, she didn't talk about avocado butter. Yes, she didn't mention avocado butter. Now, I'm telling you that the real mixture includes avocado butter. That's half cup of avocado butter, half cup of mango butter. We have 1/4 cup of unrefined shea butter. She said half cup of shea butter. No, it's a 1/4 cup of unrefined shea butter. And 50 ml of egg yolk milk. She didn't talk about egg yolk milk. You need 50 ml of egg yolk milk. 50 ml of Dubia whitening milk. She didn't talk about that. 1 Filipino set, yes, she mentioned that. 20 ml of papaya extract, she mentioned that. 30 ml of mulberry extract, she mentioned that. And half cup of almond oil, she mentioned almond oil. Now, the ingredient she missed was avocado butter, egg yolk milk, and Dubia whitening milk. Those are just the 3 ingredients she missed. You know, I keep telling most of my clients, a disappearance of 1 ingredient will actually cause you a lot of problems. It might actually give you discoloration in your skin, or cause a particular cream not to work the way you actually want it to work, or might actually cause breakouts. I keep saying that your measurement matters and your ingredient, the right ingredient, matters. I'm sure most of my YouTubers do not even know how to mix the ingredient I just talked about. Well, I'm going to lead you guys to it. Well, you get your almond oil into a bowl using the double boiler method or microwave. Now, a double boiler method is, let me explain. You get a pot, an empty pot, and you put it on your cooker, your gas, or your stove, whichever one you're making use of. And then you add a little bit of water into the empty pot. And then you get your bowl, the bowl I talked about the almond oil being into the bowl. Get your bowl and you put it on the water. Yes, that's your double boiler method. And in the microwave, you can just put your bowl with the almond oil into it and put it in the microwave. Then you allow it to melt for a while. Then you add your butters into it. That's your mango butter, your avocado butter, your shea butter, and allow it to melt. Then you bring it out. allow it to cool off for a while. Then you get your mixing machine and you whisk it. After whisking it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, then you begin to add your liquids. Your liquids being the dubia whitening milk, mulberry extract, papaya extract, and the Filipino set. Now for Filipino set, you don't just add it like that. You get your Filipino set, you get the sets, the powder and the solution. In a different container, you mix the solution with the powder and allow it to become milky mixture. Then you add it into the already mixed mixture you had of your butters and you whisk it. Now you get to refrigerate the mixture for 20 minutes and you bring it out of the fridge and you whisk it again. Well, that's your whitening body butter. I guess you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and I suggest you stay tuned to my channel. Bye guys. Hello YouTubers, if you've been watching my video and you've not subscribed, please do so and click on the link that will be displayed below this video right now and subscribe to my channel so you don't get to miss out on interesting videos yet to come. Thanks guys, bye.